Okay, let us imagine from last time we had a principal of $1 million. Let's say it's a similar situation that you are in, except now that the agreement with you is that the interest rate that you get from the bank this time is compound interest. So you have a principal of $1 million. Interest is 10% per annum, and the time that you invest it, the time that you intend to make the investment, is 3 years. So let's see, year 1. Let's say on January 1 you put in the $1 million. Alright, you put in $1 million on January 1. Let's say December 31 is when they calculate your interest. So on December 31 you get interest of 10% off $1 million. So remember again, per mean divide, cent mean 100. A batsman hit 100 runs, you say makes a century. 100 cents make $1. Per cent mean out of 100, which mean divide by 100. 10% of $1 million, which amount to 1/10 of $1 million, which is in this case $100,000. But no, they don't print a check and give to you. What they do is bring it and add it to the $1 million. So you have $1 million plus the interest, and that gives you $1,100,000. So when you get your interest calculation, they take the interest, add it to what you have in the investment, and you now have a new amount, $1,100,000. Year 2. In year 2, let's say January 1, in year 2 you now have $1,100,000. December 31, come December 31, they are ready to calculate your interest. It's 10% off this amount, the latest amount you had, $1,100,000, and that gives you $110,000. $110,000. Alright, let me put the commas here. So you get $110,000. But what they do, they add it to what you had in the account. You had $1,100,000 plus $110,000, which gives you 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 1, 1 and 1, 2. So you now have $1,210,000. Year 3, January 1, you still have your 1,100 and no, not 100. You still have your 1,210,000, and then in December, on December 31 of year 3, you get interest the interest you get is 10% off the latest money you had, 1,210,000, and what you get as interest is $121,000. All right, so 10% of 1,210,000, and you now have $121,000. But guess what now? They add it to what you had before. Whatever they calculated the interest off, they take that interest and put it back, add it to what that amount was. So it's 1, 2, 1 and 4 zeros. This now you have 3 zeros, 1, 2, 1. So how much do you have now? 0 and 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, 1. So you have $1,331,000. Alright, see you in the next part of the series of videos.